Curious about the fuse box location and diagram for the 2019 GMC Acadia? Wondering where each fuse panel is and what its functions are? This guide answers all your questions, helping you locate and understand every fuse easily. Engine compartment fuse box. The engine compartment fuse box in the 2019 GMC Acadia houses fuses and relays that protect and control key systems such as the engine, transmission, headlights, wipers, and cooling components. It ensures safe power distribution and prevents electrical overloads under the hood. Instrument panel fuse box. The instrument panel fuse box in the 2019 GMC Acadia protects and distributes power to interior features such as the infotainment system, climate control, power windows, seats, and other cabin electronics. It helps maintain safe operation of the vehicle's comfort and convenience systems. Rear compartment fuse box. The rear compartment fuse box in the 2019 GMC Acadia supplies and protects power for rear electrical features such as the liftgate, rear climate controls, trailer connections, and entertainment systems. It ensures safe and reliable operation of the vehicle's rear area functions. Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse. Glass tube fuse, AGC fuse, SFE fuse. Ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse. PAL fuse, low-profile fuse, standard PAL fuse, link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage link fuse. Fuse conditions. Blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses. Turn off the vehicle, locate the fuse box, identify the faulty fuse, remove the faulty fuse, inspect and obtain a replacement, install the new fuse, test the replacement. Safety precautions, disconnect the battery, wear protective gear, use proper tools. Check for the correct amperage, avoid water exposure. If this guide on fuse box location and diagram is helpful, give a like or subscribe for more tips and updates. Thanks for watching.